I bring forth this new life through new eyes, tamed. Release this animal in mind, uncaged. Release this rage. No more am I mentally enslaved.
Force of nature, a force to be reckoned with. Like Mother Nature, naturally a disaster sick. This no test, you gonna find out quick. I designed this rhyme, so tune into it. Let's make music, let's do it. Now be influenced, now when you hear this music, it's so sick. I bet it get well quick. Now can you feel it? Sensational really. Now let me open up my mind, break the seal with it. Let's see how mindful you all spill it. Then someone else clean it up while they learn something from it. That hey, I just taught you a lesson through this word session. Now can you feel me? Now can you feel it? Get real as it gets. You say to find real ass Webster. This real I spit until you realize it. You fantasize to be as real as I am. I maximize to the ceiling I can. I've grown so much mentally, a beast in mind. Just let it be, encase my mind. I set it free. Yeah.
I bring forth this new life through new eyes, tamed. Release this animal in mind, uncaged. Release this rage. No more am I mentally enslaved.
A vision, description, you see what your eyes missing. A one-track mind on a one-track mission. On attack, head-on collision. You're quick to make a decision. Swerve left, right. This game called chicken. Nah, I stick to real, that's the way I'm living. So listen, if this is what you missing, this gift I'm giving, my mind's ribbon. No quitting or giving in. I'ma get it in where I fit in it. Now give me your hand, I take a stand. I speak through lyrics, a lyrical helping hand. Now when I speak, you see it. Yeah, when I dream, you hear it. It grabs you by the wrist bracelet. Embrace it, you gonna feel it in your chest quick. I breathe true, I dream too. Influence not to ruin. You tuned in, I write it, you listen to it. Now who's influenced? Yeah.
I bring forth this new life through new eyes, tamed. Release this animal in mind, uncaged. Release this rage. No more am I mentally enslaved. I bring forth this new life through new eyes, tamed. Release this animal in mind, uncaged. Release this rage. No more am I mentally enslaved.